I'll be honest, at first, I thought all of this was nonsense. For weeks, my feed was flooded with videos talking about salt recipes, shortcuts, and miracle routines. I tried a few of them out of curiosity, but nothing really fit into my life, and nothing felt consistent. At one point, I even wondered if I was missing something, or if these videos were just repeating the same idea in different packaging. That's when I realized most versions online weren't explaining the routine properly. They were oversimplified, rushed, or focused only on clicks. The version that finally made sense to me explained why gelatin plays such an important role when combined with salt, and how this small adjustment changes the entire routine. That's what people are now calling the gelatin trick, but the way it's actually used is much calmer and more practical than most videos suggest. What stood out wasn't a promise or a dramatic claim, it was how easy it was to follow. The explanation focused on timing, preparation, and consistency, not on restriction or extreme rules. This is why some people refer to it as the gelatin trick recipe, while others casually label it the gelatin trick diet, even though it's really just a simple daily habit that blends into a normal routine. The video where I learned this explains everything clearly and without exaggeration. It shows the correct preparation, the small details most people miss, and why so many copies online fail to explain it properly. That's why I'm sharing it again, not as a promise, but as a clear explanation of what people are actually doing. If you've already seen other versions and felt confused or disappointed, this one is worth watching. The full explanation is still available through the link below or in the first pinned comment. Direct and focused on clarity, not hype.